welcome back to my channel. So we're here in Ross with my mom.
Hey guys.
And Brittany, and we're shopping. The girls are here too. But we're in Pensacola for the day. We're at the Cordova Mall. We're in Ross and we're gonna just shop around today so that I would vlog. So yeah. Everybody say hello to Brittany. She hasn't been on the channel in a while.
Hey you guys, how are you doing? I've missed you.
And my mom's here till Wednesday, so when you actually see this, she'll be leaving.
3 more days.
Yeah, it's Sunday. And we're just shopping around, looking at different things. Isn't this a cute little jumper? So cute. So we'll see what we can find. Oh my gosh, yes, that's me.
That's like a dupe for the old lady dress.
We're actually looking for stuff for my backyard today. Me and my mom are gonna like make it look a little bit nicer, so I'll show you guys that too. Hopefully we find stuff for that. But I'll just take you guys along. We're in Hallmark. They have these super cute necklaces. It has like all your little names on them, and they have bracelets too. So Brittany and I found one. Whoop. Hello. We found one. Oh, your name slipped. Oh. We found ones with our names on it. How cute is that? So we're gonna get them, but my mom didn't have one with her name on it.
Yeah, it's un-American not to have it Carrie. Hello. It's like the most popular name.
Oh, and also guys, look at all of the willow trees. You guys know I like to collect willow trees. I'm starting my collection. How pretty are all of these? And we have a baby. I want this one. And I think they're so cute. And look at the little ones about animals. Little kitty cat and the dog. Oh, they're so cute. So we just got our necklaces. Here's mine. So cute. Is it right side up, Mom?
Oh.
It's upside down.
It's probably gonna turn a lot.
Okay. So there's my necklace. And then Brittany got hers.
Oh my gosh, it's so cute.
And then Amelia got one too. Well, let me focus it. Aw, so pretty. Did you get one?
Yeah.
You want to show? She got a bracelet. Hers is Brittany too. So cute. And then my mom got one.
I got the bracelet because I like the pine. Mom.
Wait, it's not focusing. Okay, there we go. She got the mom because she already has a necklace that says C for Carrie. So, super cute. Okay, we picked out a couple things. I'm gonna try on this bathing suit. I guess I'll show you guys. It's little high-waisted bottoms on top, and it's reversible. 20 bucks. Brittany's got some workout shorts.
I've got some workout shorts that are Under Armour. I really love them. And they're super affordable here. And then I've got a New Balance sports bra.
Cute.
Super cute. I'm into fitness this year. New year, new me.
Fun fact about Brittany and I. Anytime we come to TJ Maxx or Home Goods or whatever, well, not Home Goods, but
We always check the PJs.
yeah, we love a good PJ moment. So, we found some cute ones.
These are so cute.
Those are so cute.
This alligator rattlesnake skin is so good right now. And it sees 2 pairs of PJ shorts for $9.99. Can't beat that.
A steal of a deal, Brittany says. And Brittany always makes fun of me because I love floral. Aren't these cute?
She likes the grandma PJs.
Yeah. Whatever.
Oh my
These are
gosh,
cute.
These are so soft.
Oh my gosh. So comfy.
Ooh, alpacas.
Okay, so I do have underwear on, but this bathing suit is super cute. It's reversible, and my stomach is super pale compared to the rest of me, but I thought this looked super cute. I think I'm gonna get it. And it's just this little high-waisted 2-piece, super cute, and it's reversible to like the purple inside. So cute, only for 20 bucks. Hey guys, so we just got back from doing a couple things. We went to dinner at Zaxby's. I didn't take the camera because I thought I would just show you guys like a little haul of what we got when we got back. So we just got back and we went to the BX and we went to Five Below and Ross. And I had a little like idea for me and my mom to kind of do like a little bit in my backyard together while she's here. So we're gonna pull some weeds out there maybe tomorrow or Tuesday. But I bought some stuff to kind of like set it up back there where we could sit out there. So I already have 2 like lawn chairs or like like chairs that are like outdoor chairs that I'm gonna put back there. And we bought a little table from the BX, which I'll show you in a little bit. But I got a citronella candle, and this one is super cute. It was from Ross, and it was only $5.99. And it's a citronella candle. Thought that was super cute. And then I got lights at Five Below for $5 each to put around our fence. So I'll show you guys that too. So this is what they look like. They're little globe lights, and I got 3 packages of them. I'm not sure if I'll need all 3, but they're like 8 feet long, it says. So I thought these would be super cute, and they were $5 a piece. And then I got the little table. So in a little bit, I will do a little montage of us setting that up outside. Okay, so my little montage kind of failed because we were trying to figure everything out, but I'm so excited to show you guys what the backyard looks like. We still need to get more lights, but I'll show you that in a second. But this is what we did. So we did this on a really small budget, but what we did was, I already had these chairs from the BX. They were $10 a piece. We got them when we moved in. This little table was at the BX on sale for $17, like the perfect little size. And then there's my little candle. And then we just ran an extension cord, and look at our little lights. I got these at Five Below. As you can see, I need to get them for this side. I don't think I'm gonna put them on our connecting fence just because that's our neighbors and I don't know if they want those there. But they are so cute. These are from Five Below, and they were $5 a piece, and I used 3 boxes and we need 2 more. So 25 bucks for that. And we're gonna go get more. And then I wanted to show you guys over here. We also pulled a ton of weeds. This looked horrible. I'm almost embarrassed to have shown you guys what that looked like. But we got these at Lowe's. This is our first time trying to use one. It's a fly trap. And you can get them at Lowe's. They're like 5 bucks, but you fill it with water, and the stuff inside like helps catch flies. So hopefully that works. But I'm so excited to show you guys. We had like nothing out here, and it looks so nice. So I'm so proud of it. Okay, so we are at the crab trap. As you can see, we're gonna go to the beach. I'm gonna try to get some footage. Sorry for the lighting. It's nighttime. We're all here, and Devin's here too. But we're gonna go to the beach. Hopefully, you guys will be able to see something. But let's see. I'm not sure if you guys can hear anything. Doesn't that sound peaceful? If you guys can hear me, today has been a very long day. We've been in the car all day, but it's been a really nice day to spend with everybody. I just like to share with you guys how pretty it is, and how lucky we are to live here, and I get to share these things with you guys. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this vlog. But anyways, hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog so far. I know it's been kind of all over the place today. But yeah, it is a beautiful place to live, people. Eglin Air Force Base, and this is Okaloosa Island. We're on Okaloosa Island behind the crab trap. If you guys have ever been here, we come here a lot to the beach. It's a nice place to come because it's not quite in Destin. We don't have to deal with the traffic, but I just like to come here. Oh, people are lighting fireworks! I'm recording it. Those are just people lighting them off. You don't need the flash. What are you writing? Summer. Summer?
I did a smiley face.
amazing. Ooh. Wait, did you just spell summer with an A-R?
No, it's an A.
Oh. Mom, you scared me.
You should put vacation 2019. Mom, that's kind of hard when they said a walk.
Sassy.
Hey guys. Oh my god, we look so burned. It's not gonna look like that. We are burned. At your gal meals and we're here. Victoria's upstairs sleeping, you know. We were just putting some aloe on our face because we're burnt to the gods. Anyways, enjoy her video, subscribe. Love you all. Bye bye.